In this video, I'll cover a question from somebody, which is, how do I move property from my own name into a limited company? Watch the video to find out. Question from somebody, which is, how do I change the structure of my business from property in my own name to a limited company? I assume what you're saying is, how do I move property from your own name into a limited company? Because if that's not the question is, how do I build up a limited company? Well, you can buy all future properties in the name of the company and keep the existing ones in your own name. But if the question is, how do I move the existing portfolio, you've got two options. The first one is, you can sell all the properties to the limited company, but then you'll have potential capital gains tax issues and stamp duty, land tax issues, so you need to work out how much that is. The second one is, if you can demonstrate you have a business, then you can use Section 162 incorporation relief and move your property portfolio from your own name into a limited company, and you won't have to pay capital gains tax, and you get shares in return for your equity in the property business, but you will have to pay stamp duty, land tax if the properties are all in your own name. If you have an existing partnership, i.e. with you and somebody else, which is an established partnership, then you can transfer the properties as long as you have a business and claim Section 162 incorporation relief, and you won't have to pay stamp duty, land tax based on the current provisions and the Finance Act 2004, as long as you have a partnership, and therefore no CGT, no SDLT, and the properties move into the limited company.